The software development landscape experienced a seismic shift when AI researcher Andre Karpathy popularized vibe coding in early 2025, an AI-assisted development methodology where developers collaborate conversationally with large language models to create functional applications. Unlike traditional programming requiring extensive syntax knowledge, vibe coding leverages natural language processing and iterative AI collaboration, prioritizing creative flow over architectural perfectionism. This paradigm represents a philosophical transformation, enabling developers to focus on high-level problem solving, while AI handles implementation details. What mind-blowing vibe coding project have you witnessed? Comment below. The technical infrastructure relies on transformer-based neural networks trained on massive code repositories, implementing sophisticated tokenization strategies and attention mechanisms. Platforms like Cursor, Replit, and GitHub Copilot serve as primary conduits, each employing unique architectural approaches, maximizing human-AI synergy. These systems utilize vector databases and retrieval-augmented generation (RAG) techniques, enabling real-time context understanding, predictive completion, and semantic intent recognition beyond mere syntax comprehension. Real-world success stories demonstrate vibe coding's transformative potential across the skill levels. One developer created a professional website with blog, contact page, and a bio without manually fixing code, prompting through all errors conversationally. Remarkably, non-technical individuals build functional apps in 48-hour AI coding bootcamps, while complex web applications, mobile apps, and AI agents now developable through natural language interaction. Projects range from simple to-do applications to sophisticated SaaS platforms. Tried vibe coding as a non-developer? Share your building experience below. Modern vibe coding tools incorporate advanced features beyond code completion, real-time error detection, automated testing generation, and intelligent refactoring suggestions. Cursor AI implements sophisticated code-based understanding systems, analyzing entire project structures while maintaining multi-file consistency. This platform enables containerized execution environments, continuous integration pipelines, and cloud deployment mechanisms, abstracting infrastructure complexity. Advanced capabilities include multi-modal input processing, voice, text, visual, content-aware generation understanding, and project-specific patterns, and autonomous debugging. This paradigm shift transitioned programming from imperative how-to-do instructions to declarative what-to-do specifications. Vibe coding enables operation at higher conceptual levels, focusing on business logic rather than implementation details. The conversational nature creates intuitive development where ideas are rapidly prototyped through natural language interactions, encouraging experimental mindsets and iterative hypothesis testing. Do you think shifting from how to code to what to code will fundamentally change software development? Looking forward, vibe coding is positioned to dominate software development across industries. The technology trajectory suggests enhanced multimodal interaction capabilities, deeper deployment integration, and AI systems capable of autonomous optimization. Emerging trends include voice-driven environments, visual programming interfaces, translating mockups into functional code, and democratization enabling domain experts to create specialized tools without technical barriers. However, this raises questions about code quality, maintainability, and evolving developer roles in AI-augmented landscapes. Where do you see vibe coding in 5 years? Which industries will transform most? Share predictions below. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, comment down below if you have insights to share.